Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to change password on your Zengo account. It's a very simple process, so let's get started. First of all, on your phone, make sure you are connected to the internet and download the Zengo app if you haven't already. Once you download the app, launch the app on your phone. Now tap on continue. Now you will be prompted to the login page. So in Zengo, the thing is you don't need to set password in order to create an account. You can just create your account with the help of email. You will receive the verification code in your email and you won't be using any password for your account. So technically you cannot change the password of Zengo because you haven't set the password at the first place. So what you can do is, over here you can see the email field. Tap on it. Now enter your registered email address of your Zengo account. After that, tap on continue. You will receive the verification link in your email. As you can see, I've received the email from Zengo. Tap on it. After you open the email, you can see tap to confirm button. Tap on this. After that, tap on continue. You can choose explore the app. And there you go. You've successfully logged into your account. And you won't need any password to access your account. You can simply verify it through your email. So that's it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips. Thank you for watching.